Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to produce one-way frequency distribution table. So in order to do that, I have already loaded my data set. This is the health data, and I'm going to work on a variable called diabetes. So let's use a command called tab, T-A-B, and then the name of the variable, diabetes. That's here somewhere, okay? So, and hit enter. And now we can see the distribution of the frequency. Like you see, the total observation numbers are 10,349 people in our data set. Among them, diabetes, 499 people have diabetes, okay, while 9,850 people do not have diabetes. So among the diabetes groups, we see the percent distribution. About 5% people are diabetic, while about 95% people are not diabetic. That's the situation of our sample. So this is called one-way frequency distribution table because we're using one variable here, but you may want to produce two-way frequency distribution table to explore more about the relationship between two variables. Like you can use black as a proxy measure of racial composition, which you can find in this data set. And so if you compare diabetes rates by racial groups like black and non-black, and then you can see whether any disparity exists between black and not black groups. So that you know, in terms of health hazards, minorities have higher levels of health hazards or not, or diabetes or not. So that's two-way frequency distribution. But what I produced today, it's a one-way frequency distribution table. I hope this was helpful. If you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, and share. And also, if you really like some videos to be produced, let me know. I'll create a video for you. Thanks.